The year 2020 began with a global pandemic like nothing we could ever have imagined, threatening the near-total shutdown of the complex machine that is our world. With many countries reeling from the force with which their systems were hit by COVID, India went into a total lockdown since the 22nd of March, shutting down all its industries, transport, financial transactions and daily functions. Financial troubles in the future have increased with all the machines stalled and our workforce is under restrictions with constant danger of COVID infection. As much as we'd like to stay home with our loved ones, there's also a responsibility on every one of us to fuel the engines that run our country once again and to keep them alive. Since inception, Kirloskar strongly believes that we need to work towards betterment of lives of people. As the situation in Kolhapur has stabilized, the government has allowed lifting of the lockdown in certain areas with proper safety guidelines in place. The world has come together in fighting this catastrophe. We at Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited have welcomed our little family of employees back to work at our world-class manufacturing facility at Kagal, Kolhapur plant, undertaking every precautionary measure stated by the Government of India and beyond that. Prior to its opening on 21st of April, our premises have been thoroughly cleaned and disinfected and sanitization stations provided at various locations across the factory. The environment that our employees work in plays a vital role in the total productivity of our company on the whole. We have taken it upon ourselves to ensure such a safe environment for our employees in these difficult and trying times. The buses that commute the employees have all been equipped with hand sanitizers, and the employees are seated by maintaining social distancing norms. The necessary information on the COVID-19 virus and the required safety measures are all displayed inside the bus in English as well as Marathi and also through our public address system. The vehicles that enter the premises are first thoroughly disinfected from outside as well as inside while maintaining proper social distance during administration. Private vehicles are also disinfected the same way in the designated area. Upon entry, the employees are checked for their temperature through thermal imaging, their masks inspected for efficiency, and foot-operated hand sanitizer stations designed and manufactured in-house are provided as they enter their workstations. Our factory also houses an OHC, a well-equipped clinic with a doctor and nurse present at all times. We were quick to identify the chances of infection through the finger-operated biometric system and replaced it with only manual card scanning upon entry and before exit. The assembly lines deployed in factories allow us to maintain proper social distance and ensure safety. Offices and workshops are sprayed with disinfectant at regular intervals and kept clean at all times. The meetings that used to take place conventionally now take place as standing meetings while maintaining proper social distance between employees. The tool stores in our facility are also upgraded to a digital requisition and issuing system, which has replaced exchange of hard copy requisitions and waiting for material, thus avoiding any human contact and maintaining norms of social distancing. Sanitization and disinfection work have also been carried out at our canteens and central kitchen. There, the cooks work at proper distances from each other and the employees are served food and beverages with all due precautions in place. Everyone at the facility has downloaded the Arogya Setu app on their mobiles, which gives out timely information regarding the virus. Safety and health do's and don'ts are shared and demonstrated regularly at the notice boards and at various workstations. The water sanitization hygiene initiative is undertaken long back by Kirloskar to demonstrate the proper ways of washing one's hands thoroughly. Our safety measures have been taken one step further by the installation of foot-operated doors which reduce the risk of frequently touched surfaces like door handles. In our offices, we maintain social distancing with minimum staff. All major meetings and decisions that previously included a table meet now take place with the help of video conferencing. This not only avoids unnecessary contact, but also ensures smooth functioning of the workplace. Disinfection and sanitization of the villages nearby also have been undertaken by Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited as a part of our corporate social responsibility to contribute whatever we can to the greater cause. This fight may be long and hard, but as a nation, we have continually strived against it, and with the same care and hard work, we'll get through the worst of it. On the other side of this, there may be challenges, but these small steps that we are taking now will ensure a total recovery for our developing economy, so that together we may keep enriching lives. Kirloskar, enriching lives.